Hi, I'm Anand Bose and I'm a mutual fund distributor. And on the sly, I also sell health and life insurance. I came across two interesting models in health insurance recently. One of them sell in health insurance policies. From day one, they give you 2x of sum insured, which means if you pay premium for 10 lakhs, but you're insured for 20 lakhs from day one. Another insurance company says that unless and until you put in your first claim, your premium will remain the same. So, for example, in 2024, you buy the health insurance policy, you pay rupees 100. Until you put in your first claim, maybe 5 years, 10 years, 20 years down the line, your premium remains the same. So, you save in a lot of money. So, which model will you go in for? Which type of health insurance policy do you like? Call me 886 0041 004.